Okay, so it's Steve here from the Car Key Man. Last week we looked at these keys and the fact that they broke and it's only a year old. There's another part of this story that you're not going to quite believe because we couldn't, but this is the spare key for the van. So with the Connect, you get one of these and you get one of these. And this video is all about this type of key. And the customer, when this key broke, okay, he got this key out of the drawer to use it and it wouldn't start the van and didn't know why. And we've looked at the key and it's a really simple reason. So this key is made in two halves, okay, and when you twist it, okay, you can see, so if I put any pressure on this key at all to twist, you can see it's opening up. You see that? I don't know if you can see that easy. Hopefully you can on the video. See, it's right open there. So as the key turns in the lock, look, the key's opening right up, and that's how the chip's getting lost. When we pull that apart, the key just opens up. Now, on here, there's supposed to be a chip. So what we've done, we found another key from the same company, okay, and this is a spare key on another Connect. Okay, when you give that a twist the same, the key opens up. Hopefully you can see that. There you go. And when we open this one, there's the chip inside. So this is the little thing that starts the van, and that's how easy it comes out. So this video is all about what to do if you have a Connect. We're just going to pop that in there. So I would say, firstly, to stop this happening, this needs some glue inside. Okay, super glue the chip in to stop it falling apart. And there is supposed to be some glue along here. Now on the key where the chip's been lost, you can see the remainder of the super glue there. Okay, and I don't know if there's ever any in there. So what we're going to do with this key is put a new chip in there, program it up to the car, glue it all in, and then this key will be good to go. So I hope that's helped. The other thing you could do is change the key over to another type. This is the type we use. So you put the chip in here and you push the insert in and that stays home. There's no way that's going to come out. You push that in tight, that goes flush, and then you cut the blade. Okay, so that's another way of doing it. Or you could just glue this up like we've said. So I hope that's helped. So if you've got this type of key and this is your spare key, make sure you check you've got a chip in there and glue the key shut. Okay, we'll see you next week, and thanks for watching.